My daily routine. Every morning, as the first rays of sunlight filter through my bedroom curtains, I am gently nudged awake by the soft chime of my alarm clock. The day begins with a deliberate intention to embrace the possibilities that lie ahead. Stretching my limbs and taking a moment to appreciate the quiet stillness, I prepare for the day that unfolds like a canvas waiting to be painted. The first order of business is, of course, a steaming cup of coffee. The rich aroma fills the air as I sip the elixir that jump-starts my day. With a notebook in hand, I jot down my thoughts, dreams, and goals. This ritual of morning reflection serves as a compass, guiding me through the challenges and triumphs that the day may bring. As the clock inches towards the late morning, I delve into the heart of my work. Whether it's tackling projects for my job, engaging in creative pursuits, or both, this time is sacred. The steady hum of productivity is occasionally interrupted by the symphony of notifications on my phone, a reminder of the interconnected world we live in. However, I've learned to strike a balance between the digital realm and the tangible tasks at hand, realizing that the key lies in mindful focus. Lunchtime is a pause, a chance to nourish not only my body but also my mind. I often opt for a homemade meal, relishing in the therapeutic act of preparing food. It's during these moments in the kitchen that I find solace, a mindful retreat from the demands of the outside world. The simple act of chopping vegetables or stirring a pot becomes a meditation, allowing me to savor the present moment. The early afternoon is typically reserved for physical activity. Whether it's a brisk walk in the neighborhood, a yoga session, or a visit to the gym, I prioritize movement. The rhythmic cadence of my footsteps or the gentle flow of yoga poses serves as a reset button, rejuvenating both my body and mind. This intentional break is a reminder that life is not just about deadlines and achievements, but also about the holistic well-being that comes from taking care of oneself. As the sun begins its descent, I shift gears towards the more introspective aspects of my day. Reading, whether it's a captivating novel, thought-provoking articles, or a mix of both, becomes a gateway to different worlds. The written word has a unique power to transport me, offering perspectives that expand my understanding of the world and myself. This intellectual journey is a constant source of inspiration and growth. Evenings are often spent in the company of loved ones. Whether it's a shared meal, a phone call with a friend, or quality time with family, these connections are the threads that weave the fabric of my life. In a world that moves at a relentless pace, these moments of connection ground me, reminding me of the importance of relationships in the tapestry of existence. As night falls, I embrace the quieter side of life. This is when I indulge in activities that bring a sense of calm, be it listening to music, practicing meditation, or simply gazing at the stars. The transition from the busyness of the day to the serenity of the night is a gentle reminder of life's ebb and flow, the cyclical nature of existence. Before the day comes to a close, I engage in a brief reflection. I revisit the goals set in the morning, acknowledging the accomplishments and learning from the challenges. This practice of gratitude and self-awareness serves as a compass, guiding me towards continuous growth and improvement. As I slip under the covers, I find solace in the routine that has become the rhythm of my life. Each day is a unique composition, a blend of the ordinary and the extraordinary. In the tapestry of routine, I discover the beauty of small moments, the significance of intentional choices, and the magic that lies in the ephemerality of time. And so, the day concludes, paving the way for another sunrise and the promise of new beginnings.